Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos. Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to be telling you 3 different ways in which you can check whether your Windows laptop has a dedicated graphics card or not, and make sure you watch this video till the very end because the last solution is the most effective. First of all, you should know that there are two major manufacturers of graphic cards. First is nvidia and the second one is AMD. So for majority of the users out there, your laptop is going to have a graphic card from any one of these manufacturers. The first solution is the most easiest but the less effective. So on your laptop, you're going to find a sticker usually on the left or right side of your mouse pad. It's either going to be a red sticker or a green sticker. The red sticker means that you have an AMD graphics card, and the green sticker means you have a nvidia graphic card in your laptop. However, this is just a starting point and you should not mainly depend on these stickers, as someone may have stick them as a fake sticker. The second more reliable solution is to use a Windows command on your Windows machine. This is good as it will tell you that which graphics card you have and what are its specification. However, the only downside is that if your laptop does not have the graphics card drivers, it may not show it. Anyways, let me show you how you can use solution number 2. On your Windows machine, all you need to do is to click on the Windows icon, type run, open run. Here you need to type a simple command which is dxdiag and click on OK. Here it is going to show you all the details of your system. However, if you go to display 1, it will show you your display or graphics settings. In the name it's Intel UHD graphics. So if you have a Intel UHD graphics, basically these are integrated graphics and not a dedicated graphic card. However, if you see the page display 2, it means that this is your dedicated graphic card on your laptop. In my case, it's nvidia GeForce GTX 1650, and you can see all of its display memory and all these different things. However, if you are not seeing display 2, it means that either your laptop does not have a dedicated graphic card, or your laptop has a dedicated graphic card and it does not have the drivers. That's why it is not displaying here. For that, we can move towards solution number 3. For the last solution, which is the most effective one, is to use device manager on your Windows machine, as this solution tells you whether if you have a dedicated graphics card or not, and it will even tell you if your graphic card drivers are installed or not installed. So let me show you this last solution. For the last solution, click on Windows icon, type device manager, open device manager. If I click on display adapters, it's going to show my integrated graphic card as well as my dedicated graphics card, which is nvidia. So if you have a laptop which has a graphics card but it does not have drivers, so it may show up here right here in 90% of the cases, where it may not specifically tell the graphics card manufacturer name, but it may have something like Microsoft graphics card or something like that. So from there you can tell that yeah, the laptop has a graphics card but it does not have drivers installed. For the drivers, you can just simply go to Google, type your laptop's model name and search for graphics, and it will tell you that which graphics card drivers you should install. If you guys found this video useful and helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.